sitting on the edge of the extreme, looking in. In this documentary, we explore the sport of WCMX wheelchair shredding. In order to be able to jump to these heights, a chair must be custom made to reflect these abilities. Ever wonder how this is possible in a wheelchair? Whilst we visit Mogo Wheelchairs to witness the creation of these superior wheelchairs and meet the brilliant team responsible. We approached Mogo Wheelchairs owner, chief designer and manufacturer Leon Callahan, who invited us to watch as he assembles the WCMX wheelchair. Leon utilizes all his skills to get the front of the frame correct. The rear suspension allows the user to absorb the pounding the chair receives when it hits a successful bump at the skate park. The WCMX is custom designed and built to meet the specific requirements of the user. At all times, Leon readjusts the frame, front casters and suspension to suit the user's requirements. Let us witness with our own eyes the atmosphere inside Mogo Wheelchairs. All metalwork is done on site at Mogo Wheelchairs. Here we see Leon cutting and grinding a footplate for the chair. Leon continuously checks that the structure of the frame is intact by thoroughly reviewing the frame and attachments. The pounding is also hard on the rear wheels. Thankfully, Spinergy designed a set of wheels to withstand the impact dished out at the skate park. Close attention is made to the camber structure of the chair. This is an important aspect to the steering, suspension and safety of the chair. He uses a sandpaper drill to sand the inside of the tube. This allows for the right ball bearing housing to be attached. The camber is designed to firmly attach the rear wheels. If the rear wheels fall off, there can be some trouble. The front caster is designed by Frog Legs to withstand the impact on the front of the chair. Jason Parker arrives to collect his new WCMX chair. Jason, a paraplegic, adjusts his legs into the correct position before getting himself comfortable. Now that Jason has received his custom-made WCMX wheelchair, it's time for us to follow him over to Monster Skate Park and experience the chair in action. We've come down to Monster Skate Park to follow Jason and see how he handles his new Mogo wheelchair in action.
Perceived notion that you're in a box, and this gets me out of the box, and I love that part of it.
One thing about this, you only need a helmet and a chair and someone that likes skating.